Good day, guys. We woke up this morning in Chasarira National Park. Uh, Not a lot of game here, but it's the park known for its gorgeous. So I'm going to show you what this is all about. Hang on. So we on the edge of a gorge here. I don't know if you can see all the way down there, so I should be careful because we can tumble down there. See if we go all the way. Now, what's happening here, and it's really interesting for us, is that this is actually where Africa is busy splitting in two. So they call this the Zambezi Rift, and it's moving apart by a millimeter a year. So it's not a lot, but if we think about that this valley wasn't created on the 21st of October, uh, 4004 BC. This has been happening for millions of years. And a millimeter a year over is 1,000 meters over a million years. So this is it's still splitting, and because rock can't stretch, so it splits out, it moves away apart 1 millimeter a year, and then eventually there's a crack and a little bit of an earthquake, and the rift gets a bit bigger, and the valley floor drops a bit more. Going to look there, and way down there, one can see a river. So you can imagine, just it splits. The valley floor gets lower and lower, and eventually this gets so deep that the Indian Ocean will fill this. So it won't happen in my lifetime, but this is what's happening here. And this crack or this fault in the, or call it a rift, tectonic plates, goes all the way to Ethiopia and Kenya. And in that area, it's moving apart 5 to 7 millimeters a year. And areas of it is already lower than sea level. So they say if you want to buy a beachfront property, this is where you should buy it. It's amazing. It's just really interesting geology. And if you look at that cliffs, it's just because it's so old and the sand has been washed away. That's why this valley currently is about 600 to 1,000 meters deep. So yeah, a few million years. Amazing, isn't it?